Alright, so when we put it away in the winter or the fall, the FMU was stuck shut, so the fuel pressure is at like 100. And it's doing the same thing as when we put it away. So I have it unplugged right here to the FMU. This is where it used to go, down there. So we gotta take that apart, and then we're gonna rebuild this today. So yeah, mint. We're gonna start off by removing a bunch of crap. I'm just gonna throw it all in this red wagon. I already got some of the junk. Yeah, and then we're gonna take this whole puppy off. Check out that tire.
Dude, you shit your pants.
Yeah, like a lot.
It's pungent.
It hurts.
I don't think this is. Oh. Fucking A.
What?
It smells like shit over here.
Got it.
I'm not too worried about grease block.
Alright. Here goes. Alright, since one of our issues was the fuel pressure being stuck super high, we're taking apart the FMU and just kind of looking at it and cleaning it and see if it fixes it. Notice some kind of dents in this. I wonder if some like gunk got stuck in the fuel lines and it's keeping that plunger stuck, but I don't know, it looks fine really. We got oldie, but goodie, nice and clean. And we got from the internet, junkyardy, dirty-y. We're just gonna use these rotors and this one. I want to use this because it's clean. So, and then we have to use this snout because it has our V-band belt. And this is like the Nissan ribbed bullshit. So, this is the one we bought off the internet, which is still a little dirty because it's from a junkyard. There's not too much scraping action going on. And now,
Specifically on the right one, the right side of it.
so there's a tad bit more. And then there's the next one. This is the one that was on there. See all the scraping?
You can see specifically on the right side again. There's a bit more, and it's actually kind of almost a deep groove as well, which kind of not meant because that's those areas where the air can just kind of squeeze out.
All right, we got the FMU back in the car. I'm putting some of this random ass grease, just a little bit on these for the needle bearings, which are back there. We got some water in there, so I kind of blew them out. I'm guessing that grease is either contaminated or gone now, so yeah, I think that might help. There's specific grease for that, but alrighty. We're getting some gasket on here, this is where the oil goes. And we're slapping her back together. It's kind of a lot of it. Oh yeah. Too much of it. I don't want to get this in the oil cavity. It squishes out, it splooges out. Should work. That green coupler thing you saw in there is upgraded. It's like polyurethane. So it's a little hard to get this on, but I just zip it together.
Of space in between the fins for the air to get compressed. Pretty cool.
This is a pain in the ass. I feel like I'm getting raped. Blood that out. Oh God. Alrighty, just toss this together through the old gasket in there, the little gray Permatex action. We got Dylan driving. We're gonna frickin' do a burnout right here. No. But getting this bottom bolt back in there is a real pain. You gotta snake your arm up and under and shit like that. But that's what you get for building a custom kit that doesn't super fit great. But yeah, pretty soon here we'll see if this one rattles too. All right, there goes a 40. All right, let's give it a try. Boost, it's definitely faster. It's idling kind of high because I set it high, but you can still hear it. I think this is also bad. It's not as bad, so that's good. The gas station got a little Gatorade. Got some fresh gas for it.
Keep helping. Absolutely.
Wondering why it was running like doo-doo. O2 sensor fell out, hanging. I thought I started a fire, so it didn't do a very big one. We could make it a little bigger.